The RIBA work schedule is a process map and management tool that consists of 8 distinct work phases that address a necessary stage of a building project's growth, from conception to completion. Stage 0 is the main objective, making strategic decisions and documenting them in a business case. Stage 1 is the initial stage and logical step. The client team starts the briefing process during stage 1 of the RIBA plan of work. Guidance on project outcomes, sustainability outcomes, and quality aspirations is provided. A design team is chosen, and a digital execution plan, responsibility matrix, and information requirements are sourced. Concept design is formed, and proposals made in accordance with the project brief and site data. Cost plan is integrated with project strategies and recorded in a stage report. The most important idea is that quality, local context, and code compliance must be considered when evaluating plans, and that changes must be approved using the change control procedure. Project strategies and building laws must be revised, and a stage report must be approved by the client. Stage 4 involves gathering information to create and erect a building, with the responsibility matrix, information requirements, and important publications. The procurement strategy affects the organization of the project team, timing of design, and setup of the stage. The building contract must be approved and signed to move on to stage 5. Digital technologies have boosted the speed and safety of construction processes. The completion of stage 5 results in the issue of a practical completion certificate, which allows the building to be turned over. Building design and construction must consider client needs to ensure successful asset management. The final certificate must be issued at the end of stage 6 to ensure a smooth transfer of responsibility. Post-occupancy review is an aftercare service for projects, providing valuable feedback for future projects. Up until stage 6, maintenance duties may still be required. Stages 7 and 8 involve handover projects with manuals. Evaluation of plan of work with glossary and comparison to international plan will be hosted in the future. Our goal is to contribute to sustainability and environmental management. In conclusion, Consumer Trading Organization Limited will host more concepts.